Align your load with the tarp clamps. Roll out all tarps on the preparation table, aligning them properly with the load. Center your tarps along the red center line on the preparation table. Place the excess tarp into the tarp trough. After properly positioning the tarp, lower each tarp clamp so it holds the tarp against the spreader bar. Clear the work area and locate the tarping control panel at the rear of the flatbed. Important: operation of the tarping system may be stopped at any time by releasing the Enable button. If the system fails to stop, press the Emergency Stop button. If the key is not already in the Auto position, turn it to this position and press the On Power button. Press and hold the Enable button along with the Move to Truck button. You will need to keep both buttons held down until the system has reached the truck bay and stops. Check the alignment to ensure the downward path of the spreader bars clears the truck. Press and hold the Enable and Lower toggle buttons to lower the tarps down onto the load until the tarp is released or the spreader bars have reached its lowest position. Enter the work area, release the tarp clamps from the tarp, and move any excess tarp from the trough to the side of the vehicle, completely releasing the tarp from the system. Verify both sides of the truck are clear of obstructions and return to the control panel. Press and hold the Enable and Return to Home buttons, keeping them held to automatically move the system back to the home position. The system will stop automatically, and the home light will illuminate once in the home position. Bungee and strap the load and exit.